In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use custom fields in QuickBooks Online Advanced. By the end of this 5-minute guide, you'll be confident and ready to tailor your invoices just the way you like them, making your financial management more efficient and personalized. Alright, let's get started. First, we'll begin by signing in. If you're not already on the QuickBooks website, make sure to navigate over there and click on the Sign In button. Once you've clicked Sign In, go ahead and choose QuickBooks Online from the available options. This might seem straightforward, but it's an essential step to ensure you're in the right place. Next up, you'll need to enter your credentials. This is your username and password for QuickBooks. Make sure to have these details handy, and once you've entered them, simply hit Continue. You're now on your way to accessing all the features that QuickBooks Online has to offer. Before we dive into creating custom fields, there's a quick setting adjustment we need to ensure is in place. We must confirm that the custom fields or the invoice number box is enabled. To do this, head over to the settings. Once in settings, navigate to account and settings, then click on sales. Here under sales form content, make sure that custom transaction numbers is turned on. This step is crucial because it allows you to customize your invoice numbers, which we'll address shortly. Now that we've got the settings configured, let's proceed to the actual customization part. From your QuickBooks dashboard, go to the sales section. Just a little heads up, this step is where it all comes together, so make sure you're focused on what we're doing next. Once you've clicked on sales, proceed to click on invoices. You'll see a list of your invoices displayed. Choose an invoice that you want to edit and click on the edit button. This action will open the invoice, allowing you to make any necessary changes. Now let's look at modifying the invoice number. On the invoice you're editing, you should see a field for the invoice number. Change or edit the invoice number as needed to fit your preferences or business requirements. This customization ensures that your transaction records remain clear and tailored to your specific workflow. And finally, once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, don't forget to click on Save. This will ensure that all your edits are stored and you can be confident that your invoices reflect exactly what you need them to. That's it for today's tutorial on creating and using custom fields in QuickBooks Online Advanced. I hope this guide has been helpful and has given you the confidence to customize your financial landscape effectively. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.